Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Atom. So in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can create this vector planet using Inkscape. So it's basically a tutorial on the vector illustration. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so I have opened Inkscape. Now I will just create a circle like this here. I will make it a similar shade to the background I have used like this. I will duplicate this and now I will give it a like this. Okay, I will give it a gradient, linear gradient. Like this. Okay, and I will click on this. I will duplicate this and I'm gonna make it 100% opacity and I will give a white color. I will duplicate it again. I will make it orange. I will slide it like it so I can see the crescent of the white circle. I will press shift, click on the white circle. Let me zoom in. Now I will click on orange one, press shift, click on the white one and difference. You can go to the path and use difference here, or you can just simply use the shortcut keys. I will just decrease the opacity, or I will give it a gradient, lean in gradient, sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Now I will grab a Bezier pen. Okay, like this. So now I will zoom. I will take this crescent and I will just place it here, and I will uh, move this one layer down. I will duplicate this. Okay, and now press shift, click on this and go to intersection. Now I will click this, move this up. I will duplicate this, press shift, click on this and difference. Now I will press shift, click on this path, break apart. Now I will press shift, click this one and press delete on the keyboard. Select both, path, union. Like this I have created the liquid. I will place it here. Okay, now I will duplicate it again. I will flip the selected object horizontally. Okay, I will just let me arrange the. I will make it. Okay, so I think this is good. I will give it a gradient, linear gradient. I will give it this one. In this panel I will give it a blue like this, and in this layer I will give it a darker shade. I will use let me use this. Okay, and in this I will use a lighter shade of pink. So like this. Okay, so like this, this is good. Now I will select both. I will move to the bottom and raise selection one step up. Okay, like this. So now I will just make the crescent, sorry, the ring of the circle. I will just, okay, like this. I will place it right here, like this. Okay, and I will increase its width, stroke width. Okay, so now I think 50 width is perfect. So I will go to stroke paint and I will go to the mesh gradient. I will press G on the keyboard. I will unfill these colors here. So it looks like the ring is going around the circle. So we don't need any color in this area, in this part. So I will take this and fill blue color. I will remove the color in from the center also. Click on this. I will fill pink. Here I will pink, and here I will fill blue. Okay, so this is good. Now I will click on this and go to path, stroke to path. Now I will select this one. I will zoom in and save. Okay, so I will just select the all object and I will group it into one. I will decrease this size like this. So we have pretty much completed. I think we have done. So you can create some planet near it, so it looks like it's a space illustration. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and do share it. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never forget any update from my channel. So let me finish this planets so we can finish the video. You can make this planet like this and you can create more. You can decrease the opacity like this. Okay, like this. So now I will make show you how you can make the stars. Click on this polygon star and corner score stroke ratio 500. Okay, and rounded 0. Now you can do object to path, zoom in, zoom in. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, have a good day and see ya.